Coffee and a lot of study session are a good combo.
Cause we are so free, and in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, cause we are so free, and in this moment, life is like a dream. So come a little closer, but don't hold your breath. Silence in the background, violence in your eyes now.
Remember that time you gave your heart to me. Remember that time when life was like a dream.
You know what I know. You know what I know. I need to hold you close to me.
Actually, I am painting, but I started writing the thought because I like it and it's have deep meaning and you should understand it. I couldn't complete the painting because my black color has finished at that time.
Life is a game that we play. I won't get away. We can find a safe place.
Guys, new fragrance in my collection.
Within our company, within our company. So come closer to me, a little closer. How long can you hold until your breath falls? It's been too long now. I think that I want to second guess you, I second guess me, I second guess them. Don't second guess me.
So come a little closer.
I get pimples, so using vitamin C. Getting ready to meet nature.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are.
Hello, beautiful nature.
You're not here, it's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I was.
Embrace uncertainty. Some of the most beautiful chapter in our lives won't have a title until much later.
I would. We talk on the phone every night.
Cleaning all the mess, and I am so happy today. The reason I tell you why, because my channel crossed 550 plus watch hour today.
You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you,